Welcome to our expert review of the top 5 best oil filters in 2025. In this video, we'll unveil the most reliable, high-performance filters for your engine. Stay tuned till the end to discover the one filter that surprised even seasoned mechanics with its unmatched efficiency and cutting-edge design. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products, I mentioned be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start with the video. Number 5. The K&N Motorcycle Oil Filter. A high-performance part that promises to keep your engine clean, protected, and running strong. Let's go! The K&N oil filter is built for performance. It delivers exceptional oil flow, ensuring your engine gets consistent lubrication even at high RPMs. Whether cruising or racing, this filter keeps your motor running cool and efficiently. This filter uses synthetic blend media to trap contaminants effectively. It catches harmful particles that could damage your engine, helping extend its life and maintain top performance mile after mile. It's been extensively lab-tested for burst strength and filtration capacity. You can rely on its heavy-duty canister construction to withstand pressure and extreme conditions without breaking a sweat. Whether you use synthetic, conventional, or blended motor oils, this filter works perfectly. It's compatible with a wide range of motorcycle models and oil types, making it incredibly versatile. The wrench-off design makes removal and installation fast and frustration-free. No special tools needed, just twist it off and you're good to go. Plus, it's backed by a 1-year limited warranty. That's the K&N Motorcycle Oil Filter, tough, reliable, and easy to use. Ride safely. Number 4. The FRAM Ultra Synthetic XG7317 Oil Filter. If you're a DIYer or just love giving your engine the best care, this one's for you. The FRAM XG7317 features a sure-grip non-slip surface, making installation a breeze. No more slippery messes, just twist it on until the gasket hits base contact and tighten. It's perfect for at-home oil changes. This filter offers 99% plus dirt trapping efficiency thanks to its pleated media. Compared to standard filters, this dual-layer system grabs even the smallest particles, ensuring cleaner oil flow throughout your engine. Equipped with a silicone anti-drainback valve, this filter protects your engine during startup. It also resists hot oil 3 times better than conventional filters, helping reduce wear and tear over time. Built with an advanced nitrile gasket, it stands strong against high heat and pressure. Whether you're stuck in traffic or on a long drive, this filter holds up when things get hot. If you're someone who racks up miles fast, this filter's your new best friend. It delivers solid protection for up to 20,000 miles, ideal for road warriors and daily drivers alike. The FRAM Ultra Synthetic XG7317 isn't just a filter, it's peace of mind. Easy to install, long-lasting, and incredibly protective. Number 3. The Mobil 1M1-113A Extended Performance Oil Filter. A powerful little upgrade that can make a big difference for your engine. Let's check out what makes this filter stand out. This filter uses high-efficiency synthetic fibers to trap contaminants and keep your oil cleaner longer. That means better lubrication, less engine wear, and a smoother drive every time you hit the road. It removes more harmful particles than conventional filters. This helps protect engine parts and keeps your oil cleaner between changes, ideal for long-distance drivers or high-performance vehicles. The design reduces resistance to oil flow while boosting filtration efficiency. That means your engine gets the oil it needs, exactly when it needs it, no sluggish starts or delayed performance. Built to handle up to 9 times normal system pressure, it's made for tough conditions. Whether you're in extreme heat or cold, this filter holds up without cracking or leaking. With its extended performance features, this filter is perfect for long oil change intervals. Fewer changes, lower costs, and better engine health, that's a win in our book. The Mobil 1M1-113A offers serious protection and long-term reliability. If you're looking to extend engine life and maximize performance, this oil filter is worth every penny. Number 2. The ACDelco PF63 Professional Engine Oil Filter. An essential upgrade for anyone serious about engine health. Let's dive into why this filter deserves a spot in your garage. This genuine ACDelco filter delivers superior engine protection. With high filtration efficiency, it captures harmful particles before they can cause damage. Perfect for daily drivers or high-mileage engines needing consistent performance and protection. ACDelco's PF63 is made by MPR, a trusted name in performance parts. You're not just buying a filter, you're investing in decades of proven automotive reliability and engineering. This filter comes in a value pack of 12, great for frequent oil changes. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or managing multiple vehicles, it's a smart, budget-friendly choice. The PF63F fits a wide range of vehicles. Just check compatibility, and you're good to go. Its universal design ensures hassle-free installation. Featuring a Durapack build, this filter is built to last. It withstands pressure and temperature changes, giving your engine long-term durability and peace of mind. That's a wrap. The ACDelco PF63 delivers performance, value, and trusted quality. Number 1. The Purolator PL146101 Synthetic Oil Filter. A top pick for long-lasting engine protection. Let's break down why this filter is a game-changer. This filter delivers up to 15,000 miles of advanced engine protection, perfect for drivers who want reliability between oil changes. It's designed for synthetic oils and extreme driving conditions, offering peace of mind on every journey. With up to 99% dirt removal power, the high-density synthetic blend media traps harmful particles before they reach your engine, keeping performance smooth and consistent over time. The silicone anti-drainback valve ensures clean oil at startup and prevents leaks, protecting your engine from dry starts and minimizing wear with each ignition. Its PTFE-treated gasket resists heat and stays flexible, maintaining a tight seal even under high pressure and temperature, great for high-performance engines. Built with metal end caps and a strong center tube, this filter holds its shape under stress, ensuring stability, integrity, and long-lasting wear resistance. So if you're looking for a dependable, high-performance oil filter, the Purolator PL146101 is worth checking out.